Hi, Pete Miller here, and welcome to post number 2 of the Great Himalayan Trail. In my first post, I talk about trekking and filming in Nepal next year, 2025, and I shared my challenge, which is capturing Nepal's beauty while sticking with my minimalist mindset of a very simple setup, record and carry only the very basic film equipment. And as you know, I plan to only use my iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Insta360 gimbal for photos and videos. But I've realized that my iPhone is more than just a camera. It's my mobile office. And at the end of the day, I need it to work as a computer, coaching clients, answering emails and paying bills, and of course, posting my footage online. So relying on it as my primary go-to camera all day, every day in the cold and wet outdoor of Nepal is not a good plan. So enter my new companion, the DJI Action 5 camera. Now, I've never really thought of myself as an action man. I make films inside studios, but I'll be shooting for 70 days in the extremely cold and wet conditions of the Himalayas. So it's now Pete Miller, Action Man. So the DJI will make a great film gear. I've used their gimbals before, and well, this little action cam it's tough. It's reliable with 12 hours of battery backup and has this unique sort of follow me tracking option. It's got internal storage and a wide angle lens that doesn't blur out the background like the DJI pocket cameras do. But for now, my next challenge is learning how to use this thing like a pro. A great camera is wasted if you don't know how to use it. And even an ordinary camera can create magic in skilled hands. So I'm using Jim Rohn's advice as my motivating mantra. Don't wish that it was easier. Wish that you were better. So every day, in every way, I'm getting better at being an action man film taker. And that's it for now. I'm going to keep you posted as Black Friday is tomorrow. And I might pick up a few accessories at a discount. We're going to see you soon. Bye for now.